Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video we will create these kind of earrings. Let's start. First of all, you will need a beading thread at around 1 meter. All necessary materials what I will use for this tutorial you will find in description below this video. First of all, I will start with my seed beads size 10-0. I will need 7. Leave a tail at around 10 centimeters and go around all seed beads. Make a knot. Pass with the needle to the next seed bead and pull to hide our knot. I will go through one more and one more. This is our beginning. After all, we will attach our clasp to this loop. And we start. Take one crystal which is size 4 millimeters and seed beads of size 8-0. You will need 4 seed beads. Then take 2 seed beads size 10-0, 1 crystal of 4 millimeters and again 2 seed beads of size 10-0 and pass through 4 seed beads of size 8. And pull. Again 2 seed beads size 10-0, crystal 4 millimeters and 2 seed beads of size 10-0. Again enter to the 4 seed beads of size 8-0. We will need to repeat this step 6 times. Like that we will create our bead. I repeated my step 6 times, so I have 6 crystals around my seed bead size 8-0. My first Renaissance ball is ready. Now we take again crystal of size 4 millimeters and we create next Renaissance ball, but this time it will be different. Our beginning will be the same with 4 seed beads size 8-0. But instead of small crystals we will add this kind of bead which is 6 millimeters, and instead of 6 strands what we do here we will do 5 as well. It will contain 2 seed beads of size 10-0, 1 round bead 6 millimeters and 2 seed beads. My second ball is ready. It contains, as I said, 5 strands with bigger bead. We take crystal size 4 millimeters, 6 millimeters and again 4 millimeters again 4 seed beads size 80, and we will create one more ball absolutely the same as our first one. 2 seed beads size 10, 0, 1 small crystal 4 millimeters, and 2 seed beads size 10, 0, 6 times. It is ready. Now we take again 4 millimeter crystal and 3 seed beads size 10, 0, and we enter only in the crystal and go through any of the strands you have here. In this point of time we will need to secure our thread and cut it. I will pass through all my main crystals one more time to make it more secure. Same, I will secure my tail and cut it. Last thing what we need to do, attach our clasp. For it I will open the loop on my clasp, I will attach it to the thread and I will close it. Of course you can attach your hook straight away while you are in the beginning of your earring, but on this model I attach it as the last element because I go through the seed beads 4 or 5, even 5 times while I'm working, so I make them more secure. Our earrings are ready. Technique is very simple, and using different crystals, seed beads and elements you can create your own collections in different colors. So for example you can use, instead of the crystals, only seed beads, it will look nice as well, or instead of these round crystals you can use bicon crystals in 4 millimeters, but then you will need to add only 1 seed bead of size 10, 0, then 4 millimeters bicon crystal, and again 1 seed bead of size 10, 0. I really hope this tutorial was useful for you, and don't forget to like this video, to comment below and support my channel with your subscription. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.